Deli Roll. Looks so good, smells incredible, and tastes, oh, delicious. Let's show you how to make it. Start off with a sheet of parchment paper on your counter and get yourself puff pastry dough. Now careful, because these are usually made with butter, so make sure it's Pareve. Lightly flour your parchment paper, unroll the dough gently, and be careful with it because sometimes it gets stuck. Flour the dough gently and start rolling it out into a rectangle if you want more thin slices, or a square if you want fewer but thicker, juicy ones. Either way, desired thickness is a 1/4 inch thick. Layer some yellow mustard, some ketchup, and go ahead and make a beautiful design. Ah, art. I drop more mustard, some mayo for extra delicious flavor. And now it's painting time. I feel like Van Gogh. Well, minus the whole cutting off of my ear part. Anywho, now layering time. I got my deli from Mike the Butcher here in Montreal. I'm gonna go ahead and leave his information in the description below. Salami, pastrami, smoked meat and turkey slices, you name it. Just make sure to add whatever you're in the mood for. Go ahead and roll the dough and close up all those openings. Whisk an egg and brush the egg wash on the roll. Now slicing time. Slice, 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 slice. Slice, 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 slice. And let's go ahead and put it onto the baking tray. Okay, it doesn't really fit, so we're gonna take a few out and make another baby deli roll next to it. Perfect. Sprinkle on some chia seeds or sesame seeds, whatever you got on hand. And in the oven it goes at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Now let's take a moment to remind you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds and will give you access to all our incredible videos. Great, back to it. Now out of the oven it goes, sharing the oven with my wife while she makes another incredible meal. And there we go. Deli roll a la Impossibly Kosher. Crunch on the outside, meaty goodness on the inside, tender, juicy, flavorful, and oh so delicious.